Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer. Then let's scroll and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then choose this info icon. Now let's tap on edit, so this pencil icon, and tap on picture. So here you need to allow the access to your gallery, etc. So basically here we've got some albums from which we can choose the photo from. So this is our own gallery, obviously. Here Creative Studio stickers, avatar, and the colors if you want to. You can also tap on this camera icon in the right upper corner and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. So I'll do it because I do not really have a proper photo. So let me just take a photo of those flowers. All right, we've got it. So let's tap on OK. And now we can choose where we want to apply it. So basically I'm focusing on the picture, but if you want, you can also do it on the profile card. But to be honest, I highly recommend to just change the photo and choose something else. So let's tap on done. And here in this step, you can change the position of the photo. You can zoom it in or out. And thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. Here you can change the style if you want to. So here you can reimagine your images, so you can manage it. Here the effects, so you can kind of change the colors. We've got the original, then grayscale. You can apply a color shield, kind of, or a color layer on top of your picture. And here image, so you can again go to your photos. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on done in the right upper corner and tap on save to confirm. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.